Hi guys, in this tutorial today I want to show you how to delete your entire table. But when you delete your entire table, you can delete this all inside all the records inside here. You are going to delete, and how to do that one I'm going to show you how to do that one. So there's one called guys, uh, truncate table. So truncate table is going to be delete your all record or all your customers, and but it will not delete this ID informations. So it's meaning you are going to delete all the inside the record here. You are going to delete. So that's meaning you. This meaning truncate. So how to do it one? That you just want to delete. Use truncate. Then table. Then to giving your customer table name, and then if you run, it's going to be delete all these six customers or six records or six names. It's going to be delete all, but it will not going to be delete this one. So this is a way that in SQL language you are going to delete. Okay, and if you guys how to do it, then get to start to do that one, and you're learning on this amazing cool stuff course. So I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorials. Bye for now. And guys, if you are new here, like, subscribe. You will never miss one of my tutorials. To see you in my next upcoming tutorials. You are going to learn so many things. Bye for now.